The next way that your students are learning to add and subtract is by counting on and counting back. The skills that they need here is they need to be able to count on or count forwards or count backwards from any number. So what they should be practicing first is having a number line like what you see back here, or having a hundreds chart, you picking a number and then being able to continue counting forwards, you picking a number and then continue to be counting backwards, then taking away those resources and then being able to do it independently. So once they are able to do that, then we can use counting on and counting back for our addition and subtraction. Here is an example of what it would look like if we were just doing single digit numbers. I say that this is the number in my brain. This is the number that's going to go on my fingers. We do use our fingers as it is our forever manipulative, and it is something that they can use always and anywhere they go. We would keep 5 in our brain, and we would put 2 on our fingers, and we're just going to count on 5, 6, 7. My answer is 7. You can also do this with larger numbers. I have 12 in my brain, and I'm going to put 4 on my fingers. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. My answer is going to be 16. If your student gets a problem like this, and they realize they do not have enough fingers to do the 12-finger trick, they know, or you could remind them, that with addition we can always flop it backwards, and you can prove it by going back and doing a pictorial model to show that it'll get the same answer. But they can flop it, keep 12 in their brain, and again put 4 on their fingers. This works best for single digit and double plus single addition math. If we are still working on counting on and counting back, they are not yet looking to be working on double by double digit addition and subtraction. We can do the same thing with subtraction. I will use the same numbers. Okay, 5 minus or take away 2 is going to tell us we're going backwards. I'm still going to keep 5 in my brain. I'm still going to put 2 on my fingers, but this time I'm going to count backwards. 5, 4, 3. My answer is 3. Okay, I can do it with larger numbers. Still going to put 4 on my fingers and have 12 in my brain. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. My answer is 8. This is not something you could do where you could switch the numbers, as it would change our subtraction problem with what we start and what we take away. But again, if we get to a point where we don't have enough fingers, we're either working on problems that are just a step ahead and we are ready to move on to a different strategy. Or what we can do is we can go back and we can do a pictorial model, and they'll be able to take it away from there.